Let's go to those inflation numbers out today. There has been a fall in inflation, 4.1% in December. We're down to 3.6 in March. That's good. It's outside the target band. The RBA likes to see 2 to 3. The worry, though, James, from a lot of experts out there is, given there's been this massive spike in petrol, I'm not telling anyone at home what they don't know if they've gone to fill up, it's up 25 cents a litre over the last 3 months. You've got obviously this concern with the budget that more goodies could be thrown out in a bit of a vote by the Treasurer in May. The RBA could have to put rates up, not cut them, as I think we've all been hoping.
Yeah, well, I mean, this is the thing, Peter, and we've seen rates not just here but also in the United States, seen inflation rates remain what the economists call sticky. They had thought that a lot of this was just kind of pandemic related and supply chain related. But the thing is, once you get wage inflation in, it's very hard to get rid of that in the economy. Now, the big challenge, of course, is what's going to happen in the budget in May. We know that there's already going to be all sorts of money thrown at what, frankly, I think are really white elephant projects here in terms of this Made in Australia project, which is, if these were going to be profitable industries, these investors would be investing in them already. But let's put that aside. What else is Chalmers going to throw at the economy? We know that the economy has been overstimulated in the past. We know that we're paying a huge amount of tax. The way we get interest rates down and the way we get our household income moving again and where our productivity moving is to cut spending, show restraint, and cut back on the regulations that are holding the economy back. It's not just pumping more money into the bloated bits of it. That's the real danger, and I'm really worried about where we're going to wind up in a few weeks with this because, as you say, we're not going to get those rate cuts. That'll be bad news for Albanese, of course, with an election coming up, but it's going to be bad news for everybody, especially the mortgage holders out there, Peter, who are doing it really tough.